Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you a better alternative for Teespring. Is TeePublic. TeePublic is a platform owned by Redbubble, but there are no any connection between those two, so you can work in both sides. So why TeePublic is better than Teespring? TeePublic holds 6,564 position in world ranking, and for Teespring it is 14,052. Country ranking for TeePublic is 7,773 and for Redbubble it's 6,577. In category ranking under lifestyle, fashion and apparel, TeePublic holds, when considering global traffic, it is 7.9 million for TeePublic and 3.6 for Teespring. For the describing about traffic by countries, considering majors USA, UK and Canada. How to create a TeePublic account. Follow the link in description and you will get to this page. Then fill these as usual. Click on the create my account. Then they will send an email to confirm your account. Now let's upload a design.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No!
Before that, you have to set up your account. Click on account settings. From here you can change your username, not store name. I will mention about that later. Email address. Don't forget to click for the offsite marketing. Change password. Deactivate your account, which you shouldn't do ever. Finally, go back to the home page. Down there you will see the payment section. You can get paid through the PayPal or Payoneer. This site is different than other POD sites. The reason is most designs in here are pop and vintage. Let me show you some designs of their best creators. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed my content. Stay awesome guys.